medal aggregator.
What is Meda.ls? Meda.ls is an Olympic aggregator. It takes information from around the internet and puts it into one easy to digest place.
But why choose Meda.ls? Well, to get the information we have, you have to go to several websites. But with ours, it's all aggregated into one easy-to-use software website. Yeah. Also, it's very adaptive, so you can use it for any sports or up-to-date sporting events like the Winter Olympics or the Paralympics.
It works by using JSON feeds from the London 2012 website and the BBC website. These could be changed like any sports that has rewards, and then these then feed into the script on our website. This is then parsed by that and displayed using jQuery, HTML and CSS. We have some screenshots here of how it works. So when you visit the website, you get presented with a list of medals. So you get the name, the medals and what place they're currently in. From there, you choose a place to view information about, and you can choose a category about them. So, say you want to view the gold medals about Britain, you get a list of all the gold medalists in Britain. So, once you choose one of them, we don't have a screenshot of that, but I'll bring it up in a sec, the website. So this is some of the code that runs it. This gets the athlete data and converts it into the biography about each athlete, and then this gets the data, so that gets the athlete data from the file. That's a static file because it doesn't get updated very often. We've checked it and it doesn't seem to get updated. In a future edition, we'd change that to be a dynamic file. The get sport one, that just gets the athlete data and returns the sport which we're doing. So, I'm just going to show a live demonstration now to get it to work. So here you'll find, if it loads, here we go. It takes a while to load because it's using my phone's internet, so it's not very fast. If this running on a full website, it'd be very fast compared to this. So once you're on the website, you choose a category, and it doesn't seem to work on this computer, so I'll zoom out. That's currently one of the bugs in it, which we'll fix in the future edition as well. So once you choose a category, and ignore that number, and then you choose one. So for example, gold. This brings up a list of the gold medalists from wherever you've chosen. So then, for example, if we click whoever that was, it takes a while to load, but as you can see, it pulls an image from Google Images and then returns what gold medals they've got, a YouTube link to their video and a Twitter feed. We do have a video about this. Find it. It's on BLC, isn't it? Which one's it?
Can we show the video whilst we answer questions?
Has anyone got any questions?
Right. No, I just quickly ask, two of you in the team, how did you decide who, and there are others, how did you decide who does what?
Well, I've been good at, or reasonably good at, CSS and designing, and you're good at designing things, aren't you, how they look. And you've been working on a mobile version, haven't you?
Yeah, it's going to be on next version, which makes the design more responsive, so when you do visit it in a mobile app, it's nicely spaced out and so on and so forth.
Also, I forgot to mention on it, it brings up a map showing the nearest place we can learn about this sport, like judo centres or cycling areas. Has anyone else got any questions?
How much of the data that you showed available for each athlete? What were the sources of those?
Well, 2 bits of data, there's 40 bits of data used in total, feeds from, 2 of them are from the BBC, which are one's about the medals, no, both about the athletes from the BBC, and then 2 are about the medals are pulled from London.
Right.
The 2 from London, one of them's information about the medals in the country, and the other one's how it orders them in the current rank. That probably sums up medals. Has anyone got any questions? No, is that it?
Well done.